Hello, it's Kathy the art teacher. Today's drawing video is about how to draw elf shoes. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I do hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Over the years, it has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's in the corner. It really helps me make more of these. Now here is one of the most popular holiday tutorials on my website, how to draw elf shoes. These cute elf shoes are made up of lots of little curvy shapes, so I recommend drawing them one step at a time. Draw the first step on the right, match it on the left, then come back to the right, match it to the left, and so on. This keeps the whole process from getting too confusing. Okay, let's get started. Here's a list of the art supplies you're going to need: drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also always download this free How to Draw Elf Shoes tutorial from my website. Now before you begin drawing, it really helps to make some guidelines on your paper. Simply fold and crease your paper in half in both directions so you have guidelines that match my tutorial. They really help as you draw each step. Step number 1. To start the top of the right shoe, draw a curved V shape on the right side. Then draw the same shape on the left side. Step number 2. Now continue the line down on the right side to draw the right heel. And then draw a matching shape on the left side for the left heel. Step number 3. Continue the right line to draw the curved bottom of the right shoe. And then draw the same shape on the left side for the left shoe. Now draw a curved line for the top of the right shoe. And then do the same for the top of the left shoe. Step number 4. Finish a shoe on the right with a ball. And then add a ball to the shoe on the left side. These could easily be turned into bells, by the way. Step number 5. Now, to draw the bottom of the elf shirt, start the right band of the hem. And then draw the matching left band. And draw 2 lines for the sides of the shirt. Step number 6. Now you can connect the shirt and the shoes with a leg on the right side. And draw a matching leg on the left side. Step number 7. I want my stripes in my stockings to match, so I'm starting with a large stripe across the top. Then I'm adding more matching stripes below. These could be thick or thin, whatever you want. And finish the drawing with a simple snow line. Step number 8. Now it's time to start tracing all the pencil lines with your black marker. Remember, it always helps to go slowly for this step. And when you're done, take a moment to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. And it's time to color. I'm going to start with the red color at the top. And I'm making those shoes red too. My stockings are going to be 2 shades of green. I'll fill in all of my stripes with the dark green color first, and then go back with the lighter green color. Feel free to pick your own colors though. Many other combinations would look really great too. Now here's my tip for drawing a soft, snowy background. Start by drawing lots of blue circles with your sky blue crayon. No need for pencils or marker, just use your crayon. Draw them all over in a kind of random pattern, about the size of a large pea. And now come back with that same blue crayon to fill in the background. Do try to color neatly, as circles will not show up very well if things are kind of scribbly. Step number 9. Now just for fun, I'm going to add a gray shadow on the band of the shirt. You can also add shadows under the shoes. Feel free to skip this part though if you like your drawing already, just the way it is. And there you have it. This elf shoe drawing is done. See how pretty those snowflakes look when they are just white circles with no marker or pencil lines? It's a great tip to remember whenever you are drawing snowy winter pictures. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this drawing video tutorial. I do have even more drawing tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw Santa Claus and how to draw a Christmas tree. I hope you check them out too.